What do you do when your wig is starting to get bald spots on the top? And it's still in great condition, hair is in great condition, but it's just unwearable. How about a wig revamp? I've been talking about revamping your old wigs, and today I'm going to show you how you can revamp your wig that has bald spots on the top. I'm Chaya G, wig wearer, wig stylist, and wig expert. And many of the wigs that I'm dealing with on a day-to-day basis are very high-end wigs that are expensive. And when they start to have problems like balding on the top, which we'll get into in a minute, it's very disheartening to think that you have to throw away a wig that could have cost a few $1,000s. But there's a way that you could still salvage it. I'm going to explain to you just how. The problem with bald spots is that the multi-top is made up of many different layers, and when you try to add hair after it was done in the factory, many times you will start to see a little bit of the knots on the top. Check out my video where I talk exactly about the construction of the multi-tops so that you'll understand exactly what I'm talking about. Problem is, when you start to fill up the bald spots on the top, it's just temporary. It's not as strong as when it was done initially. So aside from the fact that it's not the same look as when it was done from scratch, it's also something that will fall out much quicker than if it was done originally from scratch. So a great way to salvage a wig that is starting to get a lot of bald spots and would be costly to start filling in, but also, again, not being able to really have the longevity factor anymore, is to turn it into a hat fall. What is a hat fall? Hat fall is basically when the top of the wig is empty. There is just an empty net on top, making it really nice and easy to wear with a hat on top because you have a certain flatness when you're not having all this bulk of hair. We're gonna turn this wig into a hat fall, and I'm gonna check back in and show you the results. I'm back. Now, you remember this wig. Nice hair on the bottom, but a lot of bald spots on the top. And to fix these bald spots would have been costly and never as good as from scratch. So what did we do? We made it into a hat fall. We removed the top of the wig. You see here, this is the actual top. And the area with the skin top with the bald spots. And now we have an empty top on the top that could be worn with hats so easily, so comfortably. Let me go get a hat. You see, with the hat fall, since the top part of the wig is off, it makes it so much more comfortable to put it on and wear it with something on top because you don't have the bulkiness of the top of the wig. It's much thinner, it lays much flatter with whichever type of hat that you decide to wear, and it's just overall easy and comfortable. You can wear it with hats, you can wear it with kerchiefs, you can wear it with bandanas, you can wear it with beanies, you could wear it with snow hats. It's really so versatile. And here I let the hair just air dry, just like this, nice and easy, or you could get it more done up to have more of a fancy look. So I recommend people to do this type of repair because it is so not costly. All in, you're about $200 to do a repair like this of taking off the top, washing it, setting it. You can even throw in a deep conditioning just to get the hair even softer. And you have another wig that could be useful and look good that you'll feel good in. I hope you enjoyed this segment of revamping your wig with Chaya G. And stay tuned because I have many more different types of ways that you can revamp your good quality wigs and have it for a long time. As always, I really appreciate you being here and watching. Leave a comment, it means the world to me. If you haven't subscribed yet, go click that subscribe button. Just takes a second and really will mean the world to me as well. And stay tuned, I'll be seeing you more soon.